Hello everyone, welcome to Help My Biz. At Help My Biz, we provide simple solutions to help your business grow. We are going to take a look at the income from salary. And later on in the video, I'm also going to tell you how you can pay zero tax. Yes guys, you heard it right, zero tax, even if your income is up to rupees 10 lakhs per annum. That's quite a lot of money and you will have to pay zero tax on it to the government. So without further ado, let's get started in the video. But before we start, let's look at some general trivia on the salaries. As we know, the ITR is filed by people who are earning salaries. For the financial year 2021, the total ITRs filed was 5.89 crores, out of which 49.6%, that is roughly around 2.92 crores, are filed under ITR 1. The second trivia is, the CTC that is promised to you in your interviews and in your offer letters shall never be equal to the salary that you receive in hand. All the provident fund deductions, the perquisites, the gratuity, everything is included in your CTC. But wait, don't get bogged down by these terms and don't think that your employer is pulling a one up on you. All the deductions are for your own benefit and some of them are available as tax exemptions as well. So don't make the wrong decision of thinking that your CTC is the amount that you'll receive in hand and divide it by 12 and be happy about it. Don't make a fool out of yourself. So, moving on. It's very important that we take a look at the tax slabs for individual assessees. There are two options that are granted. The first one is the normal income tax provision. Under here, all the deductions under Chapter 6A are available to you. On the other hand, the alternate tax regime, no deduction, that is no benefits under Chapter 6A, are made available to you. The normal tax slab starts from 2,50,000, where you don't have to pay any tax. From 2,50,000 to 5 lakhs, 5%. 5 to 10 lakhs is 20, and above 10 lakhs is 30%. In the alternate tax regime, it's very simple. You move up 2.5 lakhs, you add up in the slab, and your tax rate also increases by 5%. You can pause the video to have a better look at the chart. Now comes to one of the most important part in the video. That is the rebate available for income up to rupees 5 lakhs. The rebate allowed shall be lower of 12,500 or the amount of tax liability. Please keep this provision in mind because we will be using it for our tax planning purposes. Also, let's take a look at the surcharge rates. Mind you, the surcharge rates are for the people who earn income of huge amounts. They are the rich people in our society. It starts from 50 lakhs and up to 1 crore, it's 10%. Above 1 crore to 2 crores, it's 15%. From 2 to 5, it's to 25%. And above 5 crores, the really rich people, they are taxed heavily by the government at 37%. Now comes to the allowances. Now, let us take a look at the allowances part. Always, and mind you, always take a look at your payslip. This is a suggestion from my side to always have a better look at your payslip and don't just look at the bank statements. Check for the allowances extended to you by your employer. These allowances shall include your HRAs, that is the house rent allowances, uniform allowances, academic allowances, and other types. All of the allowances can't be talked about in this video as the video will be too long. If you want a separate video on this topic, do comment down below. Now comes to the fun part, that is pay zero tax on your salary. The process for paying zero tax to the government is actually very simple. It's a 3-step process. Number 1, earn rupees 10 lakhs per annum salary. The step 2, plan your taxes well in advance. And step 3, pay zero tax to the government. And I'll show you how to do it. Let's take an illustration which will form part of our tax planning stage. Let's take an example of Mr. Shambhu. He works at an MNC and takes home a salary of rupees 10 lakhs. This 10 lakhs shall be his basic salary. Mind you, this is not the CTC, the cost to the company. This is the 10 lakhs that you receive as a basic salary or the gross salary. Now, here is the big chart. Please don't get intimidated by it. It's very easy and I'll help you to simplify it as much as possible. The basic salary is rupees 10 lakhs as we have already discussed. The allowances, HRA, one of the most common allowances that are granted by the employers, that is the companies. It is the house rent allowances and it is calculated as per the provisions of the Income Tax Act. We have taken it as the nominal amount of 80,000. The uniform allowances are 20. Academic research and other academic pursuits, it is well promoted by all the MNCs, it's 60,000. And leave travel allowance is 35,000. We have the gross salary at 8,05,000. The deductions are also extended to you. The P-tax or the professional tax is 2,400. In West Bengal, it is 200 per month and the sum total is 2,400. The standard deduction is 50,000. So you have the net salary or the gross total income that comes to 7,52,600. Now comes the main important part, that is the deductions under Chapter 6A. Mind you, these deductions not only help you in saving your taxes, but also help you in your long-term investment strategy. They will create wealth for your future generations and as well as you. First, we have the deduction under 80C. We have the PPFs, Public Provident Funds, LICs. We have the fixed deposits for 5 years. We have ELSS mutual funds, equity linked savings schemes mutual funds. But all of these deductions together under 80C will be available to you at a cap of rupees 1,50,000. We have 80CCD1B as well, that is the NPS, National Pension Scheme, that is 50,000. This is over and above the 80C limit of 1,50,000. 80D, the medical insurance, we have taken it at 50,000. 80E, the interest on educational loan, it might be your own education or for your spouse or even for your children. It is for 24,000. Now, you are earning a hefty amount of salary, so you'll always buy a car. And keeping in mind the ecological effect, you'll buy an electric car. And the government has also provided for this deduction as well under Section 80EEB. It is available only on the interest on the loan, on your car loan part, and we have taken at a very nominal amount of 60,000. We arrive at the net taxable income, that is 4,18,600. This is the amount which is very important and you will be taxed on this amount only. Now comes the tax provision, that is the tax liability part. Up to 2,50,000, obviously it's nil. For 2,50,000 to 4,18,600, if you calculate it at 5%, it comes to 8,430. But wait, I'd already told you to put more emphasis on the relief part, that is 87A. The lower of the two comes at 8,430. And voila, you get zero tax payable. And there you have it, people. Zero tax liability on your rupees 10 lakh salary. For more details and further analysis on this topic, please do visit our website www.helpmybiz.in. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. For more videos on such topics, do check out our channel. Thank you and have a very good day.